Hi everyone, myself Jaydeep Desai and I represent Christian Brothers University based out in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm associated with this university since last 2 years. University offers diverse courses for undergrad as well as for postgrad. At undergrad level, we do offer 65 plus major courses in 4 different schools: School of Engineering, School of Sciences, School of Business and School of Arts, where courses like electrical engineering, mechanical, civil engineering management, health science, nursing, mathematics, physics, computer science, biomedical, business, accounting, marketing, international business. All these courses we offer at undergrad level, where the entry requirements are quite flexible for all the students. At postgraduate level, we do offer courses like MS Data Science, MS Computer Information Systems, MS Engineering Management, MBA and MBA in Healthcare Management, again with flexible entry requirements. Christian Brothers University is ranked in 13 best top universities in Southern Regional Universities, and we are ranked as in third best value-wise university in Southern Regional Universities. We welcome students from 43 different countries, and we do have a diverse culture on the campus. So if you want to process for your US dream, you can get in touch with the Sayon International. They are the really good persons to get you, and they will guide you to the US very quickly and more efficiently. So hope to see you soon at Christian Brothers University with the help of Sayon International. Thank you.